Struggling to make viral videos and tired of guessing what will work? Here's the shortcut. Instead of creating from zero, you can now clone the creative DNA of any viral video and instantly spin out your own version. Sora is basically done. ByteDance just dropped something that kills the old workflow. It's called Pippit, and it can literally clone the hook, script, narrative flow, visuals, and audio style of any viral video you give it as a reference. Same viral feel, but rebuilt around your idea, your brand, your story. Let's dive in. Pippit is a ByteDance product, and you can try it right now at Pippit AI. I'll have the link in the description and in a pinned comment, so you can click straight through. Let me show you what this actually looks like with a real example. First, here's the reference video. A VO 3.1 style cinematic piece with smooth camera moves, tight cuts, and a hook that grabs you in the first 2 seconds. You've got dynamic motion, strong lighting shifts, and a voiceover that's perfectly synced with the beat. This is the kind of thing that usually takes serious planning, storyboarding, and a ton of trial and error if you're trying to recreate it from scratch. Now, here's what Pippit generates from that reference. Watch the cloned results side by side. Same kind of opening hook timing, same pacing between beats, same overall narrative arc. The camera motion and edit rhythm feel familiar. The transitions hit on the same moments, and the audio energy tracks the original, but the content itself is new. Different subject, different visuals, different message, built on the same creative DNA. That's the key idea. Pippit isn't just copying pixels, it's mirroring the underlying formula that made the original go viral. It analyzes the structure, how long each segment runs, where the big visual hits land, how the sound design ramps, and then rebuilds that pattern around your concept. And it's not just VO 3.1 style footage. Inside Pippit, VO 3.1 and Sora 2 references are fully supported. So if you see a wild Sora 2 concept video with surreal worlds, perfectly timed reveals, and clever sound transitions, you can grab that as your reference, drop it into Pippit, and let the system break down its creative DNA for you. Same thing with short-form explainers. Say you find a TikTok that's crushing it. Bold hook in the first second, tight talking head, motion graphics popping at exactly the right phrases, and a clean call to action at the end. In Pippit, upload the video and it clones the format. Your version keeps the hook placement, the pacing, the style of transitions, and the audio beats, but you swap in your script, your product, your visuals. Instead of spending days testing hooks and editing by feel, you're standing on top of a format that's already proven to work. This is why other tools are starting to feel old. If you're still only using VO 3.1 and Sora 2 directly to generate videos from scratch, you're already behind. The new game is not prompt something cool and hope it hits. It's see what's already viral, then use AI to recreate that performance level for your own content. Pippit clones the entire creative pattern of a viral video from a single reference link: hook, script structure, flow, visuals, and audio. ByteDance is also calling out that this tech can be around 5 times faster in cloning from a viral reference than older approaches. In practice, that means you spot a video that's blowing up today, you feed it into Pippit, and you can have your own version ready while the trend is still peaking, not days later when the moment has passed. Same flow, same style of effects, same visual language, same audio energy, but tailored to your channel. And because it's from ByteDance, it's clearly built for performance, not just pretty demos. Other video tools are falling behind. Pippit is killing the old industry workflow by letting you build on what's already working instead of guessing from scratch. If you're a creator, a brand, or just someone who wants to finally crack viral style content without spending hours in the edit, this is the perfect time to jump in. Head over to Pippit AI, type it into your browser or search for it, click the link in the description or pinned comment, and try cloning from a VO 3.1 or Sora 2 reference that you already love. See how close you can get to that vibe while still making it your own. I'll keep the Pippit link fully visible in the description and in a pinned comment so you can register and start experimenting right away. If you want more deep dives into tools like this, and you want to follow along as this new wave of creator tech rolls out, hit subscribe, drop a like, and let me know in the comments what kind of videos you'd clone with Pippit and how you'd use it for your channel or brand. Check out Pippit at Pippit AI using the link below, and I'll see you in the next one.